What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate your EE SIM card online. So first of all, you need to go to the EE activation page here on your phone or from the browser on your computer, and make sure that you have the code that is sent to you when you purchased your SIM card. If you don't find this page easily, you can simply go to Google and search for Activate EE SIM card online. Now here in the activation page, you have the options to activate an eSIM or a SIM card. In this case, I'll choose SIM card and then tap on activate at the bottom. And here they tell me to enter my mobile number that I purchased on EE Telecom, and they'll send me a PIN on this mobile number. Of course, you need to make sure that your SIM card, your EE SIM card, is popped in your phone, and you need to make sure that you are in an area with EE network coverage. And once you enter your mobile phone of the SIM that you purchased, they will send you a PIN on this phone. You'll need to enter it here in the next step of the activation. And once you've done so, you need to wait for a couple of minutes, and then your EE SIM card will be successfully activated.